Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is regarding two ticker symbol. It starts with C. The first one is Clover Health, which has a ticker symbol of CLOV, which is CLOV, and the next one is CCIV. And both of the stocks are setting up for a big move. So I'm gonna start with CLOV. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit the like button. At the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you are already here, you know I made a video yesterday on CLOV. You can look at the date, June 22nd, that it was around 12.63, and I was talking about a big squeeze, and you know what happened. This thing went a lot today. CLOV was up almost 10%, and aftermarket it is up 1%, so almost 10% move. And in my community we have been talking about CLOV since the very early in the morning. Like, if I have a community board, it is open for all, but again, some things are only for the members. So I have been talking about CLOV since the early morning, right? CLOV is going up, CLOV is going up, and you will see like so many posts I have been saying, like you see 1 hour ago, even CLOV. So if you're subscribed, then definitely this is a place you can come and check. And also you can become a member for this particular channel. Just by clicking on join, you can become a member. I'm also leaving the link for joining in the first comment below this video, and you will find the link. So if you join, you have to pay 10 cents per day, in the end like $3 per month, and you will get access to member specific post, chart, support, resistance, and so on. So anyway, lots of talking about my channel, so let's go back to actual work. So one thing I want to always show here, that the Wall Street bet, what they're talking about, and you can see number one is CLOV, then we have Wish, we have Workhorse, and so on. So definitely CLOV is doing something, and positive sentiment, you see a big green bar, right? So again, because of Wall Street bet, because of short interest, because of chart setup, whatever it is, CLOV is doing really great, and it is up almost 1%. And this morning we started the day very good, right? We started the day very good. We went around 14.2 area, came down, but we were just holding, and this thing actually came back, and end of the day we are around $14 area again. And in my last video I talked a lot about CLOV, why it will go up. And if you haven't watched that particular video, please make sure to watch that video, because I talk and I spend a lot of time just explaining why, because there are very few shares available to short, and there is a very high short interest. So this thing will have a massive squeeze. Don't forget, last time it went to $28, so keep that in mind. Also, if you look at the US exchange volume leader, look at CLOV sitting at number 2, almost 151 million shares traded. So number 1 is ENTX, then we have CLOV here. Also, if you look at the most active options for today, you can see CLOV here. You will see that 384,000 options are traded, and 82.8% are call options. So 82% call options are bullish, right? So these options are bullish. So let's have a look. So the average volume for CLOV is 114 million, and today's volume was 151 million, meaning that more than average, more volumes are coming, and definitely we know when there is more volume, the price loves to go up. Now let's go back to the price action. And last time, if you remember, in this channel we played CLOV all the way from $12 all the way to $28, and again we are playing. And yesterday you see how we gapped up, and we were predicting actually the aftermarket and pre-market will be up, and exactly it happened. So again, very bullish, because aftermarket we are up over $14, and I think once 14 is gone, we will have next resistance around 15, 16, 16.85 and 18, and we are just holding, because this thing is looking really nice. Looking at a daily RSI, still we are at 56 only. This thing can easily go up to 70. Anything over 70 is overbought. Currently we are 56, and you can see last time it went all the way to 90 and then came back. So still there is room to grow. At the same time, look at the MACD here, the blue line here. It might reverse again, and it will go up. So the chart is looking really good. The RSI is not that high, the MACD is not that bad, and again there might be a reverse, and it might go even up. And definitely there are so many catalysts. In this video I'll just talk about the chart pattern and everything, but again things are looking really nice. And the way it ended the day, a nice recovery from 14.2, came down all the way to 13.1, and again a nice recovery. and aftermarket it is looking good, so I'm very bullish again. And in this community we are holding CLOV for tomorrow. And also look at the call option activity here. So for the expiration date of 25th of June, look here, the open interest. See, still there are so many call options that is still waiting here. But the most interesting thing is if you look to July 2nd, look at the open interest here. Still there are some open interest here, but I think the most interesting thing you will see on 16th of July, because the open interest, there are some big numbers, 16,000 call options that is still open for a strike of $15. So they are predicting CLOV will go to 15 at least by July 16. And definitely you also see more call option around the strike 16, 17, 18. And let me check one last time for August expiry date. Maybe there is nothing more, but I just want to check with you. But still, yeah, 17,000 call option for the strike 20, 15,000 call option for the strike 15. So you see many call options are waiting for CLOV to hit 15 or 20 strike price. So again, these are very cheap. At the same time, if you buy, you can make a lot of money, because the 20 strike price, that call option was up by 26% today. So anyway, this is CLOV. I'm very bullish on CLOV, and it is looking really nice. If tomorrow we open above 14.2 area, then again it can fly towards $15. Then we know how far it can go. The next one I want to talk about is CCIV. This thing is also having a nice run up. So in my live pre-market video this morning, I talked about Workhorse, I talked about CLOV, Wish, CCIV, and luckily CLOV, CCIV, Workhorse all had a nice run. And I just released a video on Workhorse. Please go and watch that particular video, because Workhorse is also setting up for a big run. So CCIV, it was up 7%, and aftermarket it is up 1%. Look at the price action today. You see from 130, a nice run up, move sideways, and again aftermarket it is moving in this pattern, but again it is trying to break the 25.4 area. Once it is broken, this thing will go again. And more on the CCIV thing, the most important thing I like here, let me show you on a daily chart here. You see the breakout here, you see the breakout. Let me show you the breakout here, right? So it was coming down. You see the blue line here, right? It was coming down. Then it found a support around 22.68, and today the perfect breakout happened. And more importantly, you see the daily candle, the top, there is almost no wick. So we ended the day very strong, and even after market we are up. So whenever we end the day very strong without the upper wick, it means that there is more buying pressure. And currently the post market it is up, looking very nice. It's a very nice candle, and I'm very bullish on CLOV. And why? Again, the short interest. This has a short interest of 21%, and again on Fintel now they talk about 21%. Sometime if you go to Ortex, if you go to Twitter or other, people talk about even more short interest. But again, even though it is 20, 25, 30, I don't care. It is a high short interest, anything over 20. Look at the volume. On the other side, the volume is not that high. The average volume is 12 million, and today's volume was only 13 million. Even that it is pushing. So whenever there will be more and more volume, you will see this thing can explode on the higher side, definitely. Some other things here. So how far it can go, this is important, because you see here there is no resistance between 24, 25 area and 27.6. And last time when I made a video, I said like once we break 24.7, we will go towards 27. Exactly the same thing happened, and I'm still very bullish, because seems like we are over the 24.75 area. Currently we are 25.33, so this thing has almost no resistance. It can easily go to 27.5 area. So I'm very bullish, and ultimately if at one point it can go over 32, this thing will fly. But I'm not targeting that far. I'm just looking at 27.6 at this moment. But look at the overall picture. It went to 62, then there's a big gap down, it came here. So again, once it breaks 32, it will run towards 43 and then 50 and 60. But anyway, I'm not looking that far. I think 32 is my max for near term, and for tomorrow if I'm doing a day trading, I'm just looking towards 27.5 area, or maybe if there is a good opportunity, maybe around 30. But again, this is what I'm thinking. Other than that, for the call option, the implied volatility is not that high, only 88%. If you want, you can try some call option for July 16 expiry date, which will give you 23 days to expire. And if you think it can go around 27, let's find something that has a break even of 27. So 26 plus 1.6 is 27.6. maybe if you're looking at this, just buy a strike price of 26 with a $162 call option. Ride the wave, get in, get out. That call option was up 34% today, and if the momentum is continuing, it will be even higher next time. So again, I bought some shares after market because it was looking really nice. I did not buy any call option, but again, I might re-enter. But nowadays what I'm doing, I always look before the end of the day how the stock is finishing the day, because you see, when you see there is a big strength, and when end of the day you see the big strength. So it was a high of the day, and almost before 4 o'clock we went over that. It means there is more buying pressure, and this is exactly what is happening. You see, it went up, came down, went up, came down. So things are looking really nice. So anyway, my friend, just wanted to make this 2 video. So one is CCIV, which had a nice day, aftermarket looking good, and the CLOV, nice day, and also aftermarket looking good. I'm very bullish, and also I posted another video on workhorse, so please check that video as well. And if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and if you want, you can always join the community. We have nice community members. We talk about different stocks. Like today we talked about I forgot the name, ORCH or something. It went up like 25%, and definitely, like, we talk about everything here, right? ORPKH, yeah, I forgot. Like, anyway, that's not a big thing. So again, join the community, and yeah, let's talk each other. And it costs only 10 cents a day, which is $3 per month. Not a lot of money, just a coffee. So again, thanks for watching for this particular channel. Take care, and bye bye.